guys, welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello, welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video, I'm talking to you guys about how to fund your hair business.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot. So
the first way, which is probably the most typical way, is fund it with your current job. Don't just quit your job and start a hair business like I did. I had already kind of quit my job before I started the hair business, but if I could go back, I would have started while I was still working, and I would have used a lot of my full-time job money to fund the hair business and do a lot more. So that is one way you can do it, is by using the job you already have, or even picking up a second job or a little side hustle or something to fund your hair business. The other thing to do would be to get a loan or a line of credit, so that way the loan taken out is in the business's name, not your personal name, so it's not affecting your personal credit. It would affect the business's credit. So that's one way to do it. And then the other way to do it would be through an investor. An investor is pretty much the same as a loan. The only thing is you talk out with your investor what the terms and agreement will be, and it doesn't affect your credit if it falls through. So like if an investor loses money, they just lose money. The other thing you can do too is you can get a business credit card, or if you're comfortable with it on your credit, you can get a regular credit card. Just make sure you're very careful, because you don't want to mess up your own credit, or buy too much and you can't sell it fast enough for the payments. And just be very careful if you do that, but it is something that you can do. I've bought a wig or two before from my wholesaler off of my credit card, so it's something you can do to help you out. And then the other thing too is when you make money from your business, put it back into the business. Don't spend it on paying yourself out for a while. Just put that money back into the business and let it grow, so you can buy promotional tools, you can buy more hair, you can have a photo shoot. Put the money you make from the business back into the business. Do not pay yourself in the beginning. So guys, those are my tips on how to fund your hair business. I hope this helps somebody out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on. You won't miss no uploads from your fave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.